Hi everyone, as I told you, today I can explain overview of the HTML. What is HTML, how it will work, and how can we create static web pages. So, HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. It is one of the standard markup language to create static web pages. It tells the browser what should content appear on the page and how it is organized. Things like a HTML as the skeleton of web pages. Just like building needs a structure before painting and decoration. So like that, every web pages needs a HTML before add CSS and JavaScript functionality. For example, how can we define the HTML? So we can define with headings, paragraphs, images, videos, forms. So it means simply without HTML, web page cannot exist. So when user visits a page, browser cannot understand the plain text and layout automatically. HTML will provide standardized way to describe the content on the screen. So for example, you can see on the screen, I provided some examples here. So in that case, you can understand easily. The first thing you need to know the what is the tag and what is the element. So tag is nothing but you can see on the screen. Okay, it is a opening tag and it is a closing tag. So these are the tags actually. So what is a element? So whatever we typed in between open tag and close tag, that entire thing is nothing but a element. How the HTML will works. Actually, that process is very simple. So whenever we created any file with .html, those are the extensions like .doc, .pdf. These are the extensions, right? So some in the same way we can create a file with .html. So in that file we have multiple tags. For example, header tag, title, body tag. So I can give you the entire structure of a HTML on the screen here. So you can see the entire HTML structure on this screen now. After created a file, if you click on that, it will redirect to browser like Edge, Chrome, Safari, something like that. Whatever, it will be a default. So in that case, browser will read from the top to bottom that all HTML content and it will convert into a DOM. DOM means document object model. For example, going forward, you will get the more clarity.